Yo guys, what is up? Welcome back to the Pokemon Y Randomizer Squadlocke. I'm Spencer, aka Arca911, and we're here. And guys, we are chilling in the city. Just check this out. This is beautiful out here. Just absolutely lovely. There's a wait. This is a Pokemon Center? Sweet. I did not know there was a Pokemon Center here. We haven't visited this yet, have we? All right. Those are some pretty solid moves. I'm not interested in these because they're 50,000, but Swords Dance, Bulldoze, those are really strong. Don't I have stuff I can sell, don't I? Cause I got yeah, this thing. I thought it was meant to be sold. I don't even know what it is. Well, I can sell this mail. It's not worth anything. Relic Vase. Who wants these random relics then? Oh, I thought I could sell that for money. Well, okay, wow, they already have great balls. Let's buy like 7 of those. And they don't have full heals or anything out yet, so we could buy like a couple super potions. Gosh, we're low on money. Alright guys, so if you do remember, we have our squad up there on the layout for you. Our Dusclops Braylon and our Greninja Naruto. And then don't forget we also picked up Sakura here. Sakura is going to be our HM slave. It is not on the actual squad, but we are carrying it right now because there's no reason really not to. So, alright, and then we have to head to the cafe. So, is that the cafe? That looks like the cafe. Okay. What do we do here? Could you come in here for a second? Sure. It's Lysander, and is that Danitha? Yes, these are the people that were talking in the previous episode. I don't... God, why is Lysander's head so big? It's huge. It's like the size of his body. I know he has like really poofed out hair, but like, dog. This man got a 5 head and the hair to boot. So she's a movie star, okay. And he made the Holocaster, he told us that. Or somebody told us that before. Serena and this... Oh, aw, my name is Lovely, thank you. I'm a trainer myself on my off time. Okay, so she's also a trainer, but she's like a movie star, so... Let me ask you, neighbor, would you be willing to compete with me to see which of us will become stronger? I know we set off on our journey just after you arrived in Vanderbilt, but we are neighbors, and I think it would be fun to have a competition with you. Are we just gonna battle here in the... Oh. Oh, okay. I thought we were fixing a throwdown in a coffee shop. Okay, cool. We can't buy anything here, so whatever. That was kind of pointless, but let's go back this way. But cheap. I'm on Route 5 right now, and it's just hopping with wild Pokemon. Hurry and come check it out. Sweet, so we can go get an encounter here. That'll be awesome. Hey, nice to meet you, my friend. They call me Mr. Botting. Have you heard about O-Powers? Special effects that can make your Pokemon stronger, even help you get more money. Any friends you have nearby will also benefit from them. They truly are mysterious powers. Let's get started, shall we? It's bonding time. Now use attack power and defense power. On all the powers can gain levels the more you use them. Take a look at how the instructions. Let me know if you want to use more. You can always activate these in the PSS. How do I don't know. I'll figure that out later. What? Why is there a Lucario that just circled around me? Ma'am. Why are you a Lucario breeder? Who are you? Who's drawn to... He likes me? I will take him. He would go so good on the squad. It's been waiting for a trainer to appear that's strong enough to challenge it. Still, I forgot to even introduce myself. I'm Karina, the Shalor City gym leader. Okay. So she's a gym leader with a bunch of Lucarios. Those should be randomized though, so. What is this? Dropping in the half. What? Let's go. Wait, what is this a rail? Can I grind on this? Wait, does this, it takes me somewhere. Wait. You're telling me that I can... That was dope! And it's Skyplate? Okay. Alright. Well, that's sick. So there's some grass. And there's more grass up here. And there's a double battle. I want to do this. I want to get my encounter before I do the double battle, so... Diglett! Okay, that's interesting. Diglett. Do we want Diglett on the team? We could go get Bulldoze for it. Which, Doug Trio is pretty solid. Let me check out the stats real quick on these. I'm sorry I'm like doing this in the middle of the video, but I really don't know. So, Diglett does not have a very high stat total. Doug Trio also not very high. The HP is really low. I want it, but I just don't think that it's. I don't think it's strong enough. I feel like it's gonna be too weak. It's gonna be a mon that's gonna be really easy to lose, and I don't think I want that. I'm being really picky with like my first 3 or 4 mons. After that, I won't be as picky, but I just want like one more good solid mon. Well, that kind of sucks. Starly and Frolas. All right, that's easy. That's easy money. We got that. Icing Ghost Frolas. So yeah. We can brine the Starly, and then Ominous win the Frolas. Oh, you Shadow Ball. My heart. I got super nervous that was gonna kill. Okay, cool. We one shot there. Sweet. We are like the levels in this game are kind of insane. How fast we're leveling up. Brethren wants to learn Astonish. I don't. So like, these are all better moves, and we have plenty of PP. I want Morning Sun. So I actually don't think I want Astonish. Yeah. Cool. There was. Is there anything over here? I'm so pissed. I would have loved that Espeon. And the Horde encounter too, so we just had all the picks, like, but God, that Espeon would have been it. Oh, that's so frustrating. Just all the evolutions that would have been great on the team. I would have had pressure. Those would have been, and we got a freaking Diglett. A maze mulch. Is that like a grass item? What does that do? Just in a berry field. Oh. Okay, that's kind of dumb, but I didn't know they had mulch for the berry fields as an item now. Dadgummit. Yeah, you jerk. I didn't even see what ability it got. You know, maybe the Diglett had huge power and I'm an idiot, but I don't think that Diglett's a very durable mon. Like that's the thing, like I'm not just a super huge fan of Dusclops, but like Dusclops at least has like super good defensive stats. Has really low HP, but it has super strong defensive stats. Tiano's just out here dancing. Oh, okay, rival battle. No big deal. Didn't see that one coming. Okay, he has a Cloyster. Cloyster's fine, right? I think Good Ninja can handle a Cloyster. Crab Hammer. Oh no, we missed. Dazzling Gleam. That's not very effective on us because we're dark, right? Oh, maybe that's the other way around. I'm an idiot. Crab Hammer? There we go. That was not very effective. Okay, stop with the Dazzling Gleams. It's very super effective against Ghost. God, I'm so nervous right now. Oh no! No, it has Fairy Aura. I just powered up its move. Okay, Phantom Force, please. Steam Eruption. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Oh my god. So now it should go first. Okay, it misses and then we get the Phantom Force. Okay. And then we need to heal. Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm so nervous. I really cannot afford to lose them on this early. Steam Eruption. Okay, we eat those. Oh, we got burned. Dang it. Okay, we should be good here. I just hit it with a Shadow Claw. Dragon Claw? Why does your Cloyster have... It doesn't even have claws! I mean, I guess, like, we're doing Shadow Claw, but that's like we're making a claw out of a shadow. Like, you're just lying to yourself. Okay, well, we made it out of that alive. That's all that really matters. I'm gonna go back and heal. Well, I wish my encounter would have been a horde encounter. Take this honey. Okay, so we got some honey. Okay, cool. So, oh my gosh. This would have been such a sick encounter. There's a Kingdra. I know we would have had 2 water types, but that's a water dragon type, and it's insane. I would have so been hyped for a Kingdra. Gosh, I wish I would have got a horde encounter. I'm so mad. So mad. Or the Leafeon or the Espeon, anything like that. So what, it was this way? Yeah. Okay, cool. Look at me, I'm learning my way around. I can't control anything. Sorry about that, guys. Had an itch on my nose. Cool. Alright, so... yeah, half the city's like blacked out or something. So we can only go to half the places. Oh my gosh. Be making them sharp cuts on the rollerblades. Alright. But how do I get to that over there? There's not a thing over here, is there? Oh, there's another one, so like later on in the route. Okay. No encounter, no encounter. Alright, I kind of want to avoid this guy. Cool. Alright, watch my sick moves. What is this? A Latiasite. Okay, so we got the ites going. I got all the ites. So if I get a mon that can be legendary, or not, that can be legendary. If I get a mon that can be a mega, I should be able to evolve it. Oh, this is a hill. What's over here? I'm nervous. Where does this take me? It just takes me down the hill? What is that? Oh, it's a berry. Okay, I can't reach those berries. Oh, okay, that was stupid. Jerk. Still mad at you, Diglett. Was not necessary. I'm gonna go ahead and level up Naruto to 19 just because this is an easy kill. This is basically free. And while I'm doing that, guys, don't forget, answer the question of the day up there. Question of the day today is, what is your... because we recently, girlfriend started a diet type deal. So what is your favorite healthy snack or meal that is, you know, good for losing weight and being healthy and everything? I used to eat real healthy. I used to wrestle. So that made it, I had a little bit of motivation there, but are you just going around? What's happening? Let's say there's stuff in the flowers, right? But either way, answer that question. What's your favorite healthy snack or oh, Medichan would have been sweet. Healthy snack or meal. I'm down for anything. As long as it can. I don't like lettuce. I'm weird. I can't stand it. It makes me want to throw up. But yeah. Glalie, literally every mon, every single encounter we've had, other than the Digletts, has been dope and very much team worthy. But nope, we had to get a Diglett. Yeet. Look at us, Tony Hawk Pro Skater over here. Will-O-Wisps. Okay, Will-O-Wisp is not something I'll probably use, but still nice to have. Alright. Oh, you're just backpacking away right there, sir. Alright. Oh. Another Medicham. Medicham's one of my like low-key favorite mons that like nobody else likes. Medicham's actually like super strong. And has like a really interesting moveset and typing. Did I ever learn cut? Did I ever get cut? Did I miss getting cut? I don't know. Hey, we made it to a new town. That's more squad points. Sweet. Using the last interlay has developed the holocaster to make the lives of Pokemon trainers richer, fuller, and more convenient. Oh, that was just like a hello. Alright, so let's go heal up our mons. I don't think we really needed to heal here, but we can. And I'm gonna see what this Pokemart has. And then see what the heck this city is all about. They only have one person. Understaffed, you know. Oh, so this is just a basic one. Nothing special. Oh, okay. Well, that's anticlimactic. Climactic. Alright, so... what is this? Oh. Can I fish here? I don't have a rod, but like, could I if I did? Intrigued. Okay, so there's a Pokeball over there that I can go get. They're seriously gonna come all the way to Cameron and leave without even visiting the Shabano Castle. Missing out on half the joy in life, or well, maybe not half, a quarter. Okay. Fighting gym, okay. So we're getting all the decent items that might be worth putting on here. I guess this is the castle, isn't it? Alright, let's see what's in the castle. That's kind of cool. Getting a little medieval theme. Oh, it's the little one. Couldn't introduce two visitors. I can't remember the last time we've been so busy. Alright, the castle gave away a lot of their stuff to everyone. And that's it. Don't you have anything related to Mega Evolution? That's it. What in the world is Mega Evolution? Hey, you're already? Well, there's nothing you can do about that now. Route 7, but please take your time and have a look around. What's in Route 7? I want to know now. I agree, let's go to Route 7. That's this way, isn't it? What's going on? Oh, that's Route 6. Some more. Interesting. Oh, it's a Snorlax. There we go. It's sleeping so soundly at the end of the world wouldn't wake it. It's practically a mountain, right? It's blocking the road completely. Up, I handed it over. You could say it was taken by the owner of the palace. It's a Pokeflute. So we have to go find a Pokeflute in this game? Just Route 6, we might be... Maybe at a place like that we might learn something about Mega Evolution. Okay, so... That's this way? Oh my gosh. The grass. It's so big. You can't even get into it. What the heck? What was that? A Swoobat? I don't really care for that. This is still Route 6 though, so we don't get an encounter here. You don't seem... Oh no. Stop it. But why is this a thing? A Beheem? Parfum Palace. Wow. Yeah, that is quite large. There's an item over here. Smoke ball. So yeah, there's just a bunch of stuff. Is this where we can go to that place? I think it is. Oh my god. Yeah, I gotta get out of here. Well, not get out of here, but like, that's a lot of grass, and I have no clue what I'm looking for. I just wanted the item. I didn't think it. Mental herb. Okay. Oh lord. I'm gonna get so many random encounters. Semi-poor. I'm still mad at that Diglett. See, that's like a whole trainer right there, yeah. I didn't know I was gonna have to battle anybody. Masharna. Okay. Well, this could be a good way to get a little bit of experience, and then we can go in and finish off the episode. Oh, don't sleep powder me. That's so annoying. Defense goes sharply, and then speed falls. Okay, that's fine. We should be able to brine this whenever we wake up. If we wake up. Alright guys, so sorry about that little cut I had to make, but we're all good here. We are asleep, so but we should be able to kill this with a brine once we wake up. Yeah, there we go. Nice, we woke up. Sorry about that. I had a important phone call for a meeting that I had to take. I didn't think they were gonna call me right now, but they did, so you know, gotta do what you gotta do. I can't see. Y'all don't mow the grass out here? For nothing? Ah, thought I was gonna make it through. C-Dot. Zap plate. We're just racking up on all the cool stuff that's out here in the field of wonders with the super tall grass. Y'all could have mowed Muck. I would have loved to have Muck on the team. That would have made me so happy. You know I love a poison type. I love me a good poison type. Boop. Why is there all the... I don't even see these people. I'm just trying to jealous it. Okay. Oh, jellyfish with a beard. Getting crab hammer here. Shadow Force. What does that even do? I guess I'll just nasty plot because I know I'm faster. Hydro Cannon! God, I love that animation. It's so sweet. So replacing a move with Pursuit. Pursuit is a good dark type move, which is nice, but I don't know if it's worth getting rid of one of our better moves. I mean, we could just roll with these two moves because they're two of our better moves and just ditch Hydro Cannon. It's special. Brine is special. This is physical. Pursuit is physical. And I think I'm going to ride out with the old moves for now. Actually, no, let's... So if we can add a move back, we can always add Hydro Cannon back. But it's probably... It just hits hard one time. But I think we're good without it. Because, like, Pursuit would have been really good against other Ghost types or Psychic types, anything like that. Oh my gosh. I can't even tell if I'm in the path or not. All the mons are on me. Alright, so there's a drought. That's kind of cool that it put it down there at the bottom. I didn't know. I never knew that was the thing. Oh gosh. I don't want to get close to you. You're kind of scary. Oh, this should not take so long. Salic berry. Oh my gosh. Jesus Christ, kid! What is wrong with you? You freak? Oh my god. Please don't kill me. Oh god, I was so nervous just then. That thing's such a monster. Thank God we're super effective. Gee, I mean, first off, that is just one of the best designs that they've done for the megas, but like, Jesus. Unnecessary for all of that. We don't care about Sakura's moves. It's not on the squad. Oh, it also has a Piloswine. We're good. We can beat that. Nice. God, he was like, I'm gonna become the champion, and I was like, oh, whatever, kid. And then he just pulled out 2 really strong mons. I believe you, youngster Jacob. I believe in you. I will trade you team members right now. Alright. Okay. We made it. Hone Claws. Okay, Hone Claws is really good, actually. Hone Claws is really, really good. Okay, there's nothing farther past that. Oh, please don't have Drought. Let's just waste time. Alright, so now we can go check out the castle. I love how you have Drought, but it's nighttime. So I think we can hop up here. Okay, sweet. Alright, I don't want to mess with you. I want to run in the middle. Get away from me. Sorry about that little burp right there. Alright, let's check this out. And we'll finish this, and then that should finish up the episode. $1,000 a person. They legit just jacked me of my money. I'm so mad. I am angry. That's a sweet gate. With the Superior Servine. Oh, we can't walk left or okay, so yeah, it's just this little pathway. Alright, what's going on in the castle? Let me know. And my low tick? What's on the side? My Furfrou, my beloved little Furfrou has disappeared. Actually, guys, so I'm gonna look around here just real quick. Those are like night costumes. Cool. Random rooms here. That was awkward. There's all kinds of tourists in here and stuff. This is cool. I just hopped into the bed and fell asleep. Yeah, this isn't like a... Yeah, I'm getting my money's worth out of that 1,000. I'm taking a nap. You thought I was just gonna tour. I'm here for the immersive experience. Okay, so there's like nothing interesting here other than maybe outside. It's another bed. Okay, table. Art cease. Alright, what's in here? Alright. And then we know there's an upstairs. upstairs it's probably a lot of the same stuff. What's over here? Oh. Well, that's really pretty. So yeah, I'm just assuming there's nothing in those rooms. Alrighty guys, well, let's check out outside. And then we are getting kind of close to the usual. Oh, dude, these statues are dope. Oh, we're looking to find that furfru, aren't we? That's the thing that we saw earlier. Are these tracks? Y'all couldn't have done this when I was in the grass earlier? I see. All I asked for is loyalty. Full incense. Ah, I found him. Wait, come back. Okay, so I think I have seen this part before. Alright, so the furfru is there. So I need you to stay right there. Well, what do you want, girl? This is frustrating. So I can only put her, I guess, where there's a square right here. Okay, be still. Cool. Alright, so now if I go this way, you have to run that way. I hate this angle. Alright, so let's see if we can catch it. Alright. My dear furfru, my beloved furfru. Alright. Okay. So now we can get out of here. And guys, I think we're going to end the episode right here. I'm going to see whatever I get when we get back. But thanks for hanging out. I appreciate it. I apologize for it's a weird episode. I should have looked up stuff before I did this, but episode went pretty good. We're here. We got a cool Pokeball to pose in front of. We're figuring things out. We didn't get an encounter today, which kind of sucked, but we're looking forward to getting some tomorrow, or not tomorrow, but for the next recording, which should be coming out on Monday. So we'll check that out and see how it goes, and hopefully we can get a new member for the squad, something sweet. So, alright guys, I appreciate it. Thanks for hanging out. Make sure you answer the question of the day. Leave a comment if you want to be named after a mon. Make sure you follow on the Twitter account. Like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon down there. Also, you can check out all of our other content that we've made, specifically the Emerald Lock, down there in the description. I appreciate it, guys. I'll see you next time. Peace.